This is the single arm Clubbell order contralateral Bulgarian split squat. So for this exercise, we just need the single Clubbell. We also need something to elevate our back foot on. So what I'm using here is simply a parallel bar. And to protect my foot, I also am using a barbell hip thrust pad. So it has Velcro, so I can just put that on the parallel bar, quickly Velcro it up, and then that just stays in place for me. If you don't have a parallel bar, I recommend using just a simple bench. Or what you can do is you can set up a barbell in your squat rack, just lower the J hooks to about knee height. And then you may want to also use your barbell pad just to protect your foot. So that's the equipment that we need. This variation, we're just using one arm and it's contralateral. So I'll explain that as we begin. So to begin, you want to put one foot back onto the parallel bar. And what we're gonna do, because it's contralateral, whatever foot is forward, we're gonna hold the Clubbell with the opposite arm. So if our right foot is forward, we're gonna hold on to the Clubbell with the left arm. So, show you what that looks like here. So just balancing one arm, keep the elbow pinned into your side. So this is the order position, your forearm 90 degrees. Elbow pinned into the side, and then we're gonna begin the rep. So a big deep breath, balancing and down. And you don't have to touch the ground with your knee, you can come just short. So maybe an inch off the ground. Big deep breath and balancing. So that's the contralateral variation, just opposite leg forward, opposite arm. And again, just because it's unilateral, takes a ton of balance. The Clubbell also wants to fall over as well. So from head to toe, you have to be stable, secure. It's a great stability exercise. So single arm, Clubbell, order, contralateral, Bulgarian split squat.